Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to get or buy Netflix using Shopee. If you are new to my channel, my name is Zay and most of my videos are about tips and tricks and tutorials. It is very easy and more convenient. By the way guys, Shopee are available in this country. So since I lived here in the Philippines, I'm not sure if this option is also available in the other countries. First, make sure you have Shopee installed on your phone, or you can also do this on your computer by going to their website. Once you open the Shopee app, go ahead and enter Netflix on the search bar. Then you'll see Netflix digital codes or Netflix official store. As you can see, it says Shopee Mall, which means it's the official store of Netflix and 100% original product and trusted seller. So these are the digital codes or gift cards. Let's try to order. By the way guys, the gift cards will be sent to the provided email. Before you place your order, you need to provide your email address first.